Hey, it's me, Andrea, and welcome to my hair tutorial for girls and guys who want to look good on the go. Yeah. And I'm doing this tutorial because if you want to do anything cool with your hair, you need to know the basics. You need to know how to do a French braid. But if you're like me, doing a French braid is as elusive as speaking French. That's my R. But once I learned the Dutch braid, then I was like, oh, I am fluent in braiding. So this tutorial is to teach you both ways, and you might find that one speaks to you more than the other. Let's start with the traditional French braid. A French braid at its core is a regular braid where you have 3 strands and the outside strand goes over the middle strand. What makes the French braid unique and hard is that you add hair to the outer strand before you move it over the middle strand. So let's do this. Are you ready? Take 3 equal strands. Put the outer strand closest to your face over the middle piece, and it now becomes the middle strand. Then you take the outer strand from the other side of your head and put it over the middle strand. Then here comes the fun part, or the hard part, but really the fun part, because we're gonna do this, guys. Take a piece of hair closest to your face, join it with the outer strand, and then you put it all together over the middle strand. Then take hair from the other side, join it with the outer strand, and put it over the middle piece. And repeat. Hair around the other side of the head, join it with that outer strand, and it all goes over the middle piece. And repeat, and repeat. And you might find, like me, your fingers just don't translate, and it's like,
what? The middle strand? Add hair? What is going on? This is way too complicated.
And you're like,
why can't I do this with a college education?
And it's like,
whoa, you're getting really deep. You need to talk to a therapist.
And you're like,
but I thought my hairdresser was my therapist.
And then you're like,
oh my goodness!
If you make it through all of that, you will get a beautiful, elegant French braid. Ta-da! Now let's do my Dutch braid. I prefer this because it's easier to hide mistakes, and bonus, it's really trendy right now. All right, so let's practice the same way. Take 3 strands, but the outside strand goes under the middle piece instead of over. That's what makes it Dutch. Or, I don't know where these names come from. Okay, take the strand from one side of your face and put it under the middle strand. Under, not over. Then take the outer piece on the other side and put it under the middle strand. Then you grab a section of hair close to your face, sound familiar? Join it along with that outer strand, and all together, you do the limbo under the middle strand. And repeat. Grab a section of hair, add it to the other outer strand, and do the limbo under the middle piece of hair. And I don't know, my hands just tend to move easier when going under, and that is why I like it. And I don't even think you can say anything dirty to that. It just is what it is. So keep going, and you'll get this really cool inside-out effect that is just screaming, hey, I'm a big, bold braid. Why I also like this is that once you're done, you have the option of pulling the hair out so that it's an even bigger braid. This allows you to cover up for mistakes, which I love. And the bobby pin and stronghold hairspray become your friend. Ah, yay! So which one do you prefer? The Dutch one, or are you more of a French person? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more travel videos every Thursday. Help? What's later?
Salut.
Salut? No, that's cheers, and that's cheers. I know that one. It is? Oh, wow. Some people are talented at things. Languages is that one. I hope you like the hair.